The story from the project, innocent black man. Let me be clear, damn man. The story from the project, innocent black man.
What up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Small Account Challenge. Today is day number 67. It's going to be a short week because Monday the markets was closed in honor of MLK Day. Also over the weekend, you know, we got a new president. He was inaugurated in office. Also, he created his own cryptocurrency coin. So, like I said, so a lot happened this weekend. All I can tell you is this: stick to your plan. Also, I'm going to be putting together a day trading course for small accounts on this channel. It's going to be a playlist free of charge and all that, because in the comments, I noticed a couple of people told me they blew their accounts up. We cannot have people blow up their accounts. I don't like that, especially if it's a small account. So I'm going to put together a course. Just follow it step by step, and you should be able to grow that account. Anyway, we had a green day. Also, in my follow the bigger trend account, we was able to catch a bigger move today. It's all on that, and I'm going to tell you exactly how we pulled out a nice day today. In today's midday market recap. All right, y'all. So let's go over the trades from this morning. In the market, the only thing I had my eye on was SPY and Meta. For the most part, because those are the ones I'm really watching right now. But the main one we're watching is SPY, because I told you I'm going to narrow down my watch list, because I'm going to be trading SPY in the bigger trends, and I'm going to be trading SPY for the most part day trading it. So anyway, let's pull the charts up. Our first trade today was at 9:38. Let's pull the chart up. Oh, we got it up already, but let's go over to the 5-minute time frame, because that's the time frame that we like to use. But we do watch other time frames to see what's going on. Our first trade was 9:38. Let's pull it up to the downside. To the downside, 9:30. Okay, the market opens up. Remember, SPY had gapped up. Remember, we was anyway, I'll tell you that after this. Anyway, the market gapped up at 9:30. It squeezes. 9:35. We got a candle of indecision, which let me know they're not thinking about going up no more. So that's our cue, my criteria. The next candle, we jump in. And no, we got them on that candle as it was squeezing down. The next candle, of course, is the red candle, because the candle before that let me know that the bids were taking control, and we cut a nice move to the downside. We'll take that little red candle right there. Okay, cool. Our next trade was on SPY as well. This one was to the upside at 9:44. So after we got out of that trade, now we're watching it again. Now that candle closes at 9:40. There's a strong lower wick on the 9:45 candle. We get in at 9:44, and that lower wick let me know the bull saying we ain't going back down like that no more. And I also have a line of support here at 5.99 and change. So I knew that was going to be like a situation right there, or a support level. So anyway, after that candle closes, we start squeezing up. We're in that candle right there on the squeeze up, and catch a nice trade on that one. So now we two green trades in for the day. And on our next trade, we end up losing on. That was at 10:22. All right, 10:22. Let's go to 10:22. Okay, and we wanted to catch that one to the downside. All right, anyway, after this long body candle to the downside at 10:15, that one closes, the 10:20 candle opens up. Now we're going back up. I'm a little bit hesitant because it runs into the moving average. I'm hoping that the moving average is a nice resistance point. So we jump in, like I said, 9:22, and it does squeeze down a little bit, but we got in late. We kind of missed our entry, so now we're in the red a little bit. It squeezes back up. It squeezes back up, and now we have to take a loss on that one, because we can't keep holding, because like I said, you don't know how it's going to go. That was cool though. We said, all right, we get it back. So we gave back some of our profits from the morning. All right, on our next trade, which was at 10:29. At 10:29, after we lost on that trade before this one at 10:29, we get into this one on to the upside on this red candle. The candle closes red. At 10:30, we start squeezing up. Now, this candle here, I'm going to tell you right now, this candle was really, really confusing, because there was a fight here to go back to the upside. Right now, it's a green candle, but while we was in it, there was a lot of up and down, up and down, up and down. At 10:33, as we realize that it's coming back down against us, we add to this candle, and then finally it squeezes up. Now we got 2 contracts, and those 2 contracts, as it's squeezing, erases the loss, and now we was able to finish the day out with about 15 something dollars. You can see it there. And also I was holding an overnight trade, not really overnight, a couple of days, a swing trade on SPY. In my other account, trying to catch the bigger trend, like I told you guys this year we're looking to do. Let's go to the daily chart. In that account, we use the daily chart for our entries. As you can see here, let's pull this down here. As you can see here, we got a downward trend on SPY, and once it broke here, that's when we jumped in hopes that now we should squeeze higher, and that's exactly what we did. This morning we had this for 2 days, and then over the weekend, and this morning it opens up higher, and as it opens up and squeeze, we sell in that account for a nice trade over there for 30 something dollars over there. You can see that, and that's how we finished today with about $45. We'll take it just to start this week off nicely. Listen, that's how we doing it. We're gonna let the charts tell us how to make our trades. We're not going to gamble. We're not going to chase, which a lot of people have been doing lately since they thinking since Trump in office, now the market gonna get crazy. I think the market got crazy during the election time. Right now the market's still kind of behaving like it normally would. But I will tell you this, just be careful. Don't chase. Let the chart tell you what you need to do, and your plan and your criteria tell you what you need to do. There's no need to get crazy. Don't follow no gurus in some of these chat rooms, some of these Facebook groups. A lot of that's pumping and dumping. You know what you need to be trading. Anyway, that's how the day went, and we'll be back at this tomorrow for day number 68. Peace.